Imagine sharing a pizza with friends. You eat 3 out of 8 slices. How do we write that in maths? Today we learn fractions. A fraction shows a part of a whole. The top number is the numerator, parts you have. The bottom is the denominator, total parts. Proper fractions: top smaller than bottom, like 3/4. Improper: top bigger, like 7/4. Mixed: a whole number plus a fraction together. Equivalent fractions look different but are equal. Multiply top and bottom by the same number. 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 4/8. Worked example 1. Add 1/4 plus 2/4. Same denominators, just add the tops. 1 plus 2 is 3. Answer: 3/4. But what if denominators differ? For half plus 1/3, find a common denominator, 6. Change them to 3/6 and 2/6. Add to get 5/6. Worked example 2. Multiplying fractions is easy. Multiply tops together, multiply bottoms together. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 5 is 15. To divide, flip the second fraction and multiply instead. 3/4 divided by 2/5 becomes 3/4 times 5/2 equals 15/8. Common mistake: never add denominators straight across. Half plus 1/3 is not 2/5. Always find a common denominator first. Remember KFC for division. Keep the first, flip the second, change divide to multiply. For adding and subtracting, always match the denominators. Great work, learner! Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning. See you in the next video.